It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 XLT in carbonized gray. Has black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. You've got a tailgate step and a nice line box, trailer tow package, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 5-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. Both driver and passenger seat are powered with power lumbar, all-weather mats on the floor with the F-150 badging, and then you have your electronic parking brake, high mount light, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, tailgate release, and there's a running board and grab handle, making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our lane keeping, cruise control, volume, our menu, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages, your odometer reading, and we have the menu. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. And up top we have a little cubby, auto stop start for less idle time, and we have the camera view. Now this vehicle is not in gear. This was just pressing on the button. This gives us a forward view so we can see what's ahead of us before we go anywhere. This is just a protective cover, and here we are in space. I'm going to press this again. We're going to come back to the main screen. We have our hazard lights, hill descent, traction control, and in our settings we can slide through for different options, make changes to the screen, and so forth. You also have this mini menu on the right hand side, and you can go through up and down on that as well. If we touch on navigation, we're going to come into the map, and then we can choose our destination. When we go into audio, whoa, that was really loud, sorry about that. Sources, that scared me. AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And if we go into the features, we have our owner's manual, towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. Now, when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So right off the back bumper, again, we can see ourselves in space. This is a 360 camera, center line, and green, yellow, red, just how close other objects or vehicles are to us. Let's put us back into park, volume and tuner, dual climate control, dual heated seats for driver and passenger, your fans in the center, front and rear defrost, your AC and max AC, down below USB-C and USB, and we have our automatic select shifter. We can make it go down flat, that just gives us a flat working surface if we want, and then bring it back up. Off on the front here, we have our Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and our drive mode with our 4x4 and our locking differential. So if you press that, it'll appear to the right of the main menu. Press it again, it'll go off. And then the drive modes will go through, you'll see different icons. So the top portion is what is telling you what it is: tow haul, eco, sport, and let's go the other way. We've had some nasty weather here in the last few days, so we're really appreciative of this. Things like slippery, going into 4x4, and you also have deep snow, sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl. So as your weather conditions, your road conditions change, where you're going, the terrain, and so forth, you can make changes to your drive mode doing that, getting more or less traction. And then in the center here, we have an armrest. It opens up, it's quite generous. You've got a nice little bin in here. Down below, you've got a USB-C and USB, and lots of room to put items. And then off to the side is your 12 volt and your 120. And you've got 2 glove compartments, lower one's locking, the other one releases from there. Grab handle in the body, and then you have an auto dimming rear view mirror. Also lighting controls. You have a twin panel moonroof. Now I'm not going to open it today, it's quite wet, but the moonroof will go to about here. The back glass is fixed, and then your screen can go across. It's got an independent control, and it can go forwards and backwards in any position that you want if you want to block out the light. And there's a grab handle in the body, sunglass holder, and you're all set to go. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, carbonized gray or black, running boards, body colored door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The FX4 off-road badging, and this includes skid plates, and in the rear you're seeing that LED light up top, Above the handle is where your backup camera is located. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, you just double click your fob and it'll power it down for you. Nice lined box with tie downs in all 4 corners, and you also have this nice outlet off to the side so you can plug things in. A little workstation back here. You've got your 2 measuring sticks, imperial and metric, and you also have a place for clamps, so if you want to do a little work you can. And then you have a tailgate step, it just pops out, and that button off to the side actually pops up to create a handle, giving you some stability. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body. You have the black sport cloth material on the seats, seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position. This just gives you more room on the floor, and you're seeing this nice all-weather mat that runs from one end to the other. There's also carpeted mats. Bringing the seat down is easy, just pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, a couple of cup holders, and you have your air vents as well as a 12-volt. Down below there's the ambient lighting, that blue glow. You have a USB-C and USB, as well as a 120-volt. Up top we have this nice twin panel moonroof, lighting and hooks, and in the back access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body colored bumper, 5.5-foot box that's lined, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated turn signal and blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.